At a time when pickups are getting bigger, flashier, and more complex, the 1986 Ford Ranger listed on Bring a Trailer reminds us what a truck is really about: simplicity, reliability, and hard work. This isn't about horsepower wars or over-the-top features. It's about an honest pickup that's ready to roll up its sleeves and get the job done. If you're a fan of genuine, no-nonsense trucks with character, this Ford Ranger is exactly what you've been waiting for. The 1986 model marks one of the earliest years of the Ford Ranger's production, representing Ford's answer to the growing demand for compact, practical pickups in the U.S. This Ranger carries the rugged charm of the 80s with a straightforward design that stood the test of time. It's a truck that was built tough, and its survivor status today speaks volumes about its durability. This particular Ford Ranger on Bring a Trailer isn't just a survivor. It's a well-maintained, authentic example that hasn't been over-restored or altered to death. The original paint, the functional bed, and the solid drivetrain make it a perfect time capsule. It's the kind of truck that tells stories without needing to shout, a classic that wears its miles with pride in a world full of flashy, tech-laden trucks. There's something refreshing about an honest workhorse like this Ranger. It's not trying to impress with gadgets. It's about utility, reliability, and a connection to the road and the job at hand. This 1986 Ford Ranger is a reminder that sometimes less really is more. With the growing appreciation for classic trucks, Bring a Trailer has become the go-to platform for enthusiasts seeking vehicles like this Ranger. The bidding wars, the passionate community, and the detailed listings all help keep honest pickups like this one in the spotlight. This 1986 Ford Ranger on Bring a Trailer embodies everything we love about classic pickups: straightforward design, dependable mechanics, and genuine character. It's more than a truck. It's a symbol of an era when work trucks were built to last and built to serve. Subscribe to MotorHub 1003 to catch more honest, iconic vehicles and auction highlights from across the car world. Because real stories come from real rides.